Hey everybody, TN Artist Brett Tadlock here. Just wanted to upload this quick video to share with you my first Skillshare class that I've ever done. So it's a digital painting for beginners class, completely done in ArtRage. Takes you through creating all the different textures from dirt to pebbles to grass to rocks to fence posts and a lot of different things in between. But it's an over-the-shoulder class where you go along with me as I paint this, and I describe to you everything that I'm doing, how to use all the different tools that come in ArtRage, all the default tools, so you don't have to have any custom brushes or anything like that, but using all the different tools that you find there in ArtRage so you can get started painting your own types of scenes and really have everything you need for doing a really nice landscape and getting started with that. So like I said, it's an hour and a 45-minute class. It walks you through every bit of it, and I hope you'll check it out. You can get it on Skillshare, or if you're one of my patrons, you can get it there as well, because for my patrons I upload it to there, so that way if they don't have a Skillshare class, they don't have to account, they don't have to get one. But if they do have one, or if somebody has one and they don't want to be a patron of mine, that's fine too. They can get it on Skillshare. So I hope you'll check it out. I hope you'll give me a review on it and let me know what you think about it. But I have a lot more classes coming out, both on Skillshare, YouTube, and for my patrons. So I appreciate it. Please let me know any feedback you have. I want to make sure that I'm serving you the best I can with this educational material. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks so much. So real quick, one thing I just realized I forgot to mention, if you want to preview the class, keep watching this video. It is the entire speed painting of the entire class. So you can see everything that we're covering in the class that I'm going over and what different topics and how I walk you through it. So you can see it. It is in the class broken down into chapters. So each one of these is explained slowly in thorough detail. But if you want to see just a quick overview of it, that's what the rest of this painting is. So take a look. Again, let me know what your thoughts are, feedback if you have any from this video, from any of these others, and I will get back to you as fast as I can with it. So appreciate it again. And hey, like I said before, have a fantastic day.